There is no reason that a dentist should be hiring a human employee anymore. AI agents have gotten so good that now we can have these AI employees run different functions of an actual business. And today I'm going to show you different AI employees that you can build and offer to local dentists near you and sell them for up to $2,000 every single month. And the reason that I know how to do this is that I've been building and selling AI automation since before ChatGPT came out, and I've been teaching over 47,000 people exactly how to do this as well. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. So let's jump into it. Now, one thing to understand is that an employee is only useful, like a real life employee like yourself or maybe me previously. An employee is only useful because they can handle tasks that the business owner is willing to pay for and solves a problem that the business has. Now, a business owner doesn't really care if that employee is AI or if it's a human, right? They literally just need that job to be done. And if AI can do it as effectively or even more effectively for cheaper, takes no sick days, works 24/7, doesn't complain, it sounds like a decision that the business owner might want to take seriously. Now, your job is to find that problem. So, what kind of problems does a business have? Well, there's a couple. There's a couple that we can solve. Number one is that they get missed calls, especially after hours. Once that receptionist takes off work after 5 p.m., who's answering the phones? Someone has to manually respond to their social medias: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Chat. There's so many ways and so many things that they have to stay on top of. They need to be posting content online. Their staff needs to respond to and nurture leads. If someone responds to an ad, fills out a form on the website, someone has to sit there and actually speak to and respond to that lead. They need more Google reviews. They need to improve their rankings. They need to look better. There's so many things and so many problems that business owners pay human employees for to this very day. But what if I told you that AI could solve all of these problems and many more? This is just 5 examples that I picked. But an AI employee could literally take over these functions for that business so they don't have to worry about this stuff. Now, for this example, I'm just going to pick one of them. Let's pick number 4 and actually build this out together so I can show you how simple it is. Now, in terms of actually building this, it's a lot less complicated than you think. Like, I don't have a coding background. I studied finance in school, but I understood that AI is going to be the next biggest thing. So I learned how to prompt and how to create these agents. And really, if you know how to speak English and you know how to use a computer, you're going to be fine with what I'm about to show you. The reason being is that the tool that I use to build all of this stuff is this amazing tool called High Level. I've been using High Level for like the last 4 years. It can do everything that you're seeing above here. It's like the most powerful software that exists on the market, and it literally builds AI agents for us, which is amazing. That's phenomenal. We don't have to do a lot of this work. Now, specifically, we're going to be using my white labeled version of High Level called Hexona Systems. All that means is I took High Level, I put my own name on it, my own logo, and I turned it into an AI automation focused software. So High Level is generic, mine is for AI automation specifically. And you can see it right at the top. I've got a tab open right here for this specifically. So this is exactly what Hexona Systems or High Level looks like. So on the left-hand side, it's got so many things here like an AI agent builder, AI studio, automations. It can do anything that you can imagine. Now, what I care about is this AI agents feature, because together, like I showed you, we're going to be building an automation that basically responds to and nurtures new leads. What this means is that if someone's interested in working with this dentist, maybe they need a filling, a root canal, whatever that looks like, they're going to fill out the form on my dentist website, or they're going to text them or WhatsApp them. We need an AI sales agent to talk to all of those leads within a couple of seconds, find out what are you looking for, do you have the budget, when can you start, and book them immediately on autopilot. That is what this system is going to do. And that is a real service that a real dentist would pay for. So how do we do this? Well, you're going to head over to your AI agents tab over here. You're going to head over to the conversation AI at the top. Now, this is where you build agents that can actually SMS and WhatsApp and all of that good stuff. Now here, I'm going to go to my agent list. Now, the first thing I want to teach you is that every AI agent has 3 components. They have a knowledge base, which means their brain, like what do they know? Like the hours of the business or the services they offer or the name of the founder. These are all facts that go inside of a knowledge base, which is what we call as the brain. Number 2 is the prompt. The prompt is the instructions on how the AI agent should behave. Should it talk friendly? Should it be professional? What should it not say? What should it say? What is it allowed to do? Give it basically instructions on how to act. And number 3 are actions. What actions can it perform? Can it book appointments? Can it send SMSs? Can it transfer phone calls? Giving it the ability to do more than speak. That is the 3 components. So we have the knowledge base, we've got the prompt, and we've got the actions. Let's start with the knowledge base together. So at the very top, you can see there's a section here for knowledge base. Now this is where you come and create the brain. At the top right hand corner, I'm going to click on create knowledge base. We'll call this dentist demo. Click on add. And now here, you have the ability to basically train it and give it knowledge. The easiest way to do this is by just giving it your client's website, because it has the ability to do a web crawl, which is amazing. So inside of web crawl, I'm going to do add website. Now, I don't have a client obviously for this example, so I'm just going to search dentist near me. I'm going to pick literally the first one that I find. Urban View Family Dental Clinic, perfect. I'm going to take their website and I'm going to stick it right here. And then I'm going to click on train this page. Now what's going to happen is it's basically going to scrape that entire website, take out all the text it can find, learn about this business, Urban View Dental Toronto, and basically understand exactly everything it needs to know about it. So I'm going to let that run. I don't really need to watch it here. It'll probably take a couple minutes. Sometimes it takes a couple seconds. Well, yeah, okay, it's already done. It says trained over here, which is amazing. I'm going to scroll back. I'm going to go to Conversation AI, go to my agent list, and then in the top right, I'm going to click on create a new bot. So together now we're going to create a bot. Now for this example, I want you to pick a prompt-based bot because prompts are how we're going to set it up. Here you can pick if you want a Q&A bot or an appointment booking bot. I like appointment booking, so I'm going to pick that. Now, once you're inside of here, give your bot a name. So mine will be like Jenny, for example, and I'll call it receptionist for Frontline Dental. Here you can decide, do you want it to be suggestive, which means it comes up with an answer, but it doesn't send it. It needs a user to approve the message. Autopilot means, look, the bot has total control. You can talk to whoever you want, go back and forth, whatever. Here you can decide what channels you want the bot to speak on. So, WhatsApp, SMS, Instagram, Facebook, you can pick from this list. I'm going to do just an SMS agent for this example right here. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on save. There's some other settings here. You can look at those at your own time, but I'm just going to show you what's important to get you up and running. Coming to bot training. So now over here, the knowledge base. So we created that knowledge base previously. Now we need to connect that knowledge base to the bot that we have here. So I'm going to click on add a knowledge base. Here I'm going to pick dentist demo, which is the name of the knowledge base we just made, and say use this whenever someone asks you a relevant question, and then click on save. All right, so that knowledge base has been added. Next, I'm going to click on save, and then we're going to proceed. All right, we're saved now, which is great. Now I'm going to move on to bot goals. So here's where you set up the bot's personality, the goal, and any additional information it has. So how should it behave, basically. Now, you can spend weeks understanding the intricacies of prompt engineering and how to come up with the best prompts and all of that stuff that goes along with it. But what I want you to do is move as fast as possible. So what I've done is I've taken my years of prompt engineering knowledge on how to come up with the best prompts and instructions to make the best bots possible. And inside of my Hexona systems and inside of my Go High Level, I have something called my Agency Advisory Suite. And what this means is that inside of here, I basically have the smartest advisors that can write your prompts for you. So here on the left-hand side, you can see I've got a bunch of these different advisors. The one that I care about is this prompting advisor. So I'm going to open up the prompting advisor. I'm going to click on new, and I'm just going to tell him, I need you to write me a prompt for an inbound SMS agent for a speed to lead agent for Frontline Dental. I've already trained it on its knowledge base. Send that. Now what my advisor is going to do is it's going to run its brain through all of the data I've given it. So over here you can see it's thinking I want it for a voice agent, but I'm going to say it's an SMS agent. When a form is submitted, the SMS will go out to the lead. Main goal is to book an appointment. Just ask 2 qualifying questions Use your best judgment. No restriction. So you basically just have to answer these questions. My advisor will do all of the rest. It's going to just basically nail down what it needs to know and write you that prompt. So it's asking, what does the opening SMS say? What this means is if somebody submits your form on their website, what is the first thing the SMS should say? It should say something like, hey, thanks for reaching out to Frontline Dental. Can I help you get scheduled? That's a nice simple example. After 2 qualifying agents, it should try to book the meeting itself. Choose based on what makes sense for the dental niche for all remaining questions. So I don't really have time in this demo to go into detail for all of this, but here is your structure right here for what you're looking for. And there we have our prompt generated. So the personality has been made. I'm going to copy that over here, paste this into the personality. Then we've got our goal. I'm going to copy this goal right here, paste this into the goal section. And then over here, I'm going to copy this additional information, paste this right here into this section. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press save right there. Here on the right hand side, you can actually test your bot. So you can say, hi, and let's see what it says. Great, thanks for reaching out to Frontline Dental. What brings you here? Are you looking for cleaning, emergency care, or something else? That's fantastic. Let's say I'm looking for a filling. Perfect, there you go. Flexible on timing. Let's do ASAP. Perfect, there you go. So now it's suggesting times, but what we need to do is actually give it the ability to book. So this is the third component that I told you about. That's when we come down over here to actions. Now the action that we care about here, there's a bunch here, and I go into detail inside of my school community teaching you exactly how to build each one of these different things, what these different actions do. So you're like a Swiss Army knife. You can build anything that your client needs. For this example, I'm just going to show you appointment booking. So we're going to click on that. We're going to pick on a calendar. So let's say this is with Dr. Allen. Click on proceed. Now here you can decide how the bot actually does bookings. So you can turn the bot off after it makes a booking. You can allow him to cancel appointments, reschedule them, transfer to employees, whatever you want to do. I'm going to keep it simple. Click on save. Now he actually has the ability to book appointments, which is amazing. So now that's all been set up. Last thing I want to do is actually use this bot now, and let's see how he interacts. So what I want to do is I want to just make sure I have a phone number within the system. So I'm going to go into my settings. Great, so I've got a phone number there. Let me just note it down so I can actually text this number, and we'll see how the bot reacts. So I'm going to say 705-996. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go on my phone right now, and I'm going to text this bot. And I'm going to say hello, and we're going to see exactly what happens. So I said hello. We're going to go over here, and this is where the conversation shows up. So now our bot immediately says, hey, what brings you to Frontline Dental? Are you looking for an emergency care or something else? And that's literally right here on my phone. So I'm texting this bot in real time. You can see how quickly we've made a real demo, which is awesome. I'll say emergency care. That comes in right there, which is awesome. The bot thinks, it does its thing. I can't remember how many seconds we put the thinking for. It says, great, thanks for letting me know. Do you need to come in ASAP? ASAP, check your availability. So I said ASAP. Now it's going to go into appointment booking mode, which is awesome. Cool, it gave me some options. I'm going to say 9 a.m. and let's see if he books in a meeting. I even put a typo, so hopefully you can figure that out. And we're going to watch closely, and we're going to see there, the appointment's actually built. So look, I got the confirmation, I got the SMSs, I got the request that was actually made. So a real appointment was made with Dr. Edson. Everything was tracked. I got the time right, everything solid right there. And I got a bunch of confirmation texts. So it's a working demo. So now this is something that we can actually take to a dentist and show them, hey, if you have a speed delete problem, this is going to solve your problem. And the way to know if they actually have a speed delete problem is go to sites of dentists near you. So if I just search dentists, what you want to do is you want to go on their sites. You want to text them after hours. You want to go to their site and do the contact us. Fill out this form. See how long it takes for someone to actually get back to you. Do they do it instantly? Do they take 6 hours, 24 hours? What is that timeline, right? And if they don't have good speed to lead, then there's a good use case for this agent to provide this to them. And all you have to do is put this demo in front of them and say, hey, look what I've built. You clearly have this problem. I've exposed this problem because I went through your exact pipeline. I went through your sales process and you didn't reach out to me. You missed me. You missed me as a lead. And that is something that you can basically just say, look, I have this solution right here. Let's try it out. We're going to talk to all of your leads. We're going to get you more bookings, more appointments. And it's basically a no-brainer at that stage. So if you want the actual sales process on how you can actually sell this stuff, then I do recommend joining my school community. Come to the classroom section. We've got a whole sales and marketing program. If you do get Hexona, the software which I just showed you, you get a more robust full course over here on finding your niche, forming your business, building automations, your offers, sales, outreach. You get 100 plus of my industry templates as well, pre-built snapshots and automations, everything inside of here, plus a private community with 300 people instead of the 47,000. So if you do want access to everything, the link will be in the description. Check it out. Feel free to subscribe if you do like the videos, if you do want to make money with AI. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to answer. I hope this was insightful, and I'll see you in the next one.